The ultimate guide to losing weight with the Zone Diet. The diet is based on the idea that by balancing your intake of carbohydrates, protein, and fat, you can optimize your body's metabolism and achieve weight loss. How does the Zone Diet work? The Zone Diet works by balancing your intake of carbohydrates, protein, and fat in order to regulate insulin levels and promote weight loss. By eating a specific ratio of 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% fat at every meal and snack, you can optimize your body's metabolism and reduce inflammation. This balance also helps to control hunger and cravings, making it easier to stick to the diet and achieve your weight loss goals. One of the key benefits of the Zone Diet is weight loss. What foods can you eat on the Zone Diet? Chicken, fish, and turkey. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and peppers. It's important to avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-carbohydrate foods like bread, pasta, and rice.